Yes.
It's posted on the door?
Yes, it is. It's also posted on the door that persons with valid concealed carry permits are allowed to conceal in this building.
Okay, just making sure.
Yep.
Can I help you with anything?
Yeah. I need to get a release of like the documents where I can get police records.
Sure. Right behind you, it says CSPD records request. It's the blue form, second to the top. To the right, there you go. Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And is this all? Will this also encompass digital records, or is this only for paper?
Digital means...
So, like body cam.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. So there's our document.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering some videos from the YouTube channel Auditing the Front Range. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Also, if you love retro video games as much as I do, please check out our new YouTube channel that focuses solely on things in that space. It is called Retro Gaming Central. Today's videos took place on August 6, 2021, and on August 31st, 2021, and finally on September 14th, 2021, all in the city of Colorado Springs, Colorado. This is an auditor I have never spotlighted on my channel, but when I found his videos, I knew I wanted to. This auditor always carries a firearm wherever he can legally take it. Some people find this behavior suspicious, but it is our right as Americans, and it is great to see this auditor exercising not only his First Amendment, but his Second Amendment rights. Now, let's dive right into today's videos and see if his rights are respected.
Hey, not too bad. How about you guys?
Doing good. So, they called and they don't want you on the property.
Okay, well, unfortunately, here, I'm going to give 6 feet distance here. Sure. So, did you guys recently start policing based on people's feelings or law?
Here's what we're going to do. This is county property.
It is.
The director of this facility said that he don't want you here.
This is county property.
You can continue recording, but you're going to have to do it off the property. They don't want you on the property.
Okay, so
we can trespass you from the property, but I really don't want to go that route.
How can you trespass a private person from public property without them committing a crime first?
They don't want you on the property.
This is still public property, man.
Being asked to leave is committing a crime.
So first and foremost, I haven't been asked to leave yet until this conversation with you and I.
Okay.
Secondly, again, public property.
Okay, well,
so
they tell you that you're not allowed on their property, then you need to leave.
So I see that you're a sergeant. Can you please consult your lieutenant first before you make an incredibly big mistake?
I'll make a deal with you. No. If you want to go stand over there, I will go call my lieutenant.
I will continue filming.
That's
you
fine.
Consult with your... No, I'll continue filming from where I'm at.
Okay.
On this property. You speak with your lieutenant, figure out that I'm okay to be here, and then we can end this
okay, so let me ask you
conversation.
This. Speak to the lieutenant.
Yeah.
Lieutenant agrees with their decision. What happens then?
If he agrees with them, then you're both mistaken. Because this is public property. Until I've committed a crime, I cannot be told to leave.
So if you're asked to leave a property...
Public property does not apply.
That's what you're telling me. You can be here even after you've been requested to leave.
If I commit a crime...
Which, by being asked to leave, which is what I'm doing, and you refuse to leave that property, you're allowed to stay here?
So, trespass applies to private property. You're correct. It is a crime with regards to private property.
I'll tell you what. I'll make that call to make you happy, and we'll kind of go. We'll go from there.
Okay. So I'm going to continue walking and doing my thing, and then I mean, I won't be in any forbidden areas. Nor I've yet to be in anywhere that I haven't been allowed to be in.
Has anyone contacted you yet since you've been here?
One person.
One person?
Yep. No, sorry, 2 people.
I'm sorry?
2 people.
Do you know, was it a regular person or who was, like an employee, or who was it?
One of them was definitely an employee. The other, I don't know. He never identified himself to me. So, like I said, I'm going to continue walking around doing my thing.
You know what? You do your thing, bro.
All right, thanks. Why do you guys leave your vehicles idling?
So our computers don't die.
Okay, well, there's 5. When I first got here, there was 5 different cop cars in the parking lot.
Oh, okay.
2 of which are on. So if that's the issue, then wouldn't it be a consistent solution across all 5 vehicles?
It's deputy preference.
Okay, so, and then that's John Q's public money that's just wasting, you know, in gas. So is there a better justification for that besides the computers? Okay. How's it going?
Okay.
How can I help you?
So we got a call from the bank. Do you have anything going on with them?
Nope.
Per se?
Nope.
Or you just record because you can do that all day?
Because of what? I'm sorry, a lot of traffic, can't hear you.
No, I hear you. I said, were you just recording because you can do that all day?
Yep. Just say, you know, just hanging out on the sidewalk, just doing a little bit of public recording, and I saw the lady come over and lock the door. I mean, I have no intention of going in there and bothering these people.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't say that you did. But were you on the property actually recording inside the business? Or
No, sir.
You just on the sidewalk?
I've been here the entire, well, I've been on this sidewalk, that sidewalk, backside of the building sidewalk, but never on their property.
And were you recording the actual bank?
Oh yeah, yeah, I've recorded this bank this entire time.
Okay. Any particular reason why?
Because I can.
No, I mean, I get that you can. I'm just asking.
That's the only reason I need.
Because
I mean, I may have other reasons, but nothing nefarious.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
So, yeah, don't concern yourself with this.
No,
it's my friend. He goes on walks with me quite a bit, but he has no intention of coming out today. Nope, just doing recording. I've recorded the bank the entire time. There's no nefarious reasons, no ill will.
Okay.
Just doing what I can because I can.
Yeah, no, and that's cool. And the reason why they call this is because you're just open carrying, you're recording, and you can record for whatever reason that you're recording. But a lot of times.
So we've got another cop car here, guys. Yep. So like I said, just doing my thing. And then, what's your name, officer?
What's up? My name is Officer Hubbard.
And what's your badge number?
6171.
6171. Very nice to meet you. So like I said, not out here, you know, I don't think me walking around on a public sidewalk with a gun, you know, warrants 2 different officers coming. Both activities I'm doing are both perfectly legal. So just because you're out here making contact, can I have you say your name?
Sure, it's Officer Daly, Colorado Springs Police Department.
Perfect.
How about you?
I don't give that, man. And then what's your badge number?
1858.
All right, very nice to meet you, Officer Daly. So like I was explaining to your colleague here, just doing out here some public recording.
Perfect.
Just because I'm open carrying, both activities I'm doing are both legal.
They told you 100%.
So,
you're absolutely right.
Yeah, I've never been on their property. I may have encroached on it, being like, you know, on the sidewalk right next to it. But again,
sorry,
not on it.
If you're good, I'm just going to go tell them everything's fine and we're out here, okay?
You tell them whatever you feel they need to do. Make sure you educate them that what I'm doing is perfectly legal and allowed. Just because they see somebody out here on the sidewalk recording with a gun, those could be construed as negatives. But again, it's not inherently a bad thing what I'm doing.
That's what I was explaining to you. You can do all of that. That's why they called us.
Right. Yeah, and I get that. I'd be concerned if you guys didn't respond. You know, that's the thing. Like, I have no issue with you guys coming out. I have no issue having these conversations, but I'm just happy that you and Officer Daly are both, you know, conducting yourselves professionally and doing, you know, what's needed.
Thanks, sir.
You know, all too often around the country, people like to step on our rights, and you know, rights are like muscles. If you don't use them, you lose them. So, you know, we're out here reminding people what we're allowed to do, where we're allowed to do it, and making it more of a societal norm. And not just automatically viewed as a negative. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, again, I'm going to continue on my way, doing my thing. You know, unless I'm detained here.
No, you're not detained.
You know,
like I said, I was just asking you, hey, what was happening?
Yep.
They called us. I told you why they called us, and you understand why they called us.
No, yeah, I get it.
And
that's
all it is.
Cool. All right, well then you can, you know, go back finding real criminals, and I'm going to continue hanging out for a little bit longer. You know, again, you know, I'll be here for a little while longer. I'm not going to leave while you guys are here. So the longer you're here, the longer I'm here. You know, I'm not going to give them the perception that you guys, you know, pushed me away and made me leave. So,
we're not going to do any of that.
All right. So, yeah, once you guys leave, I won't be here much longer.
Okay, that's awesome. And I know you didn't want to give Officer Daly your name or anything. What's your first name or anything like that?
No, I don't answer those types of questions, man. I'm secure in my Fourth Amendment right, and
no, I was just asking.
Yeah, and I get it, and you know, I appreciate you and him both identifying yourselves, you know, per department policy. I do appreciate that. But me as a private citizen, I don't have to unless, you know, I'm suspected of a crime, committing a crime, or about to commit a crime. You know?
I'm not suspected of any of that.
Right. So I appreciate you honoring that and understanding that. So thank you again for your cordial demeanor and your professionalism here. But I'm going to get going and continue what I'm doing.
You need my business card, sir?
I'll take it if you have one on you. Yeah, absolutely. No worries, man. Yeah, you got all that gear. See, you know, I thought about wearing the tack vest or, you know, my my AR, but that's not what I'm out here to do. You know, I'm not out here to cause panic. You know, I'm not out here to just make people fear something, you know. Thank you very much for educating them, officer.
No problem.
And we got Officer Daly in car 2065 and Officer Hubbard. Oh, I can't see the car here. Give me 1 second, guys. We got car. Let's see. 2105 of the Colorado Springs Police Department. Are you new to the force?
No, sir. I've been here for almost 5 years.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
So, yeah, that's my card.
Now,
call for service number on there. I'm just going to annotate that you haven't done anything wrong.
Yep.
He's out here engaging in your
constitutionally protected activities.
Rights.
Yep.
You haven't done anything wrong. You can perfectly. You're fine. Open carry. It's an open carry state.
Yep.
As long as you don't have any felonies or anything like that, you're good to go, bro.
Yep. I mean, I can assure you that I'm a law-abiding citizen, but even if I wasn't and I was out here carrying, you know, you guys wouldn't know unless you had some other grounds to determine that. So,
right, sir.
but thank you very, very much again for coming out. I appreciate your cordial demeanor.
You,
so, can we fist bump?
Yep.
All right, cool.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you also. Stay safe.
Well, YouTube, I hope you like these videos. And please remember and go over and check out Auditing the Front Range's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.